Hi guys, welcome to Lancaster Automart. I'm Danny. Here we are at our site. Not too bad a day, at least it's not raining. Along with our partners at Lancaster Volkswagen. And today we have for you the 2017 Vauxhall Corsa SRI. And it's the EcoFlex model. 1.4, 5-speed petrol. And it is manual transmission, obviously in white, black alloys. And I believe one previous owner. And obviously it is the 3-door hatch. Just have a quick look inside for you. Dark grey and red stitching, cloth upholstery with the piano black and red finishing trim. So if you've got any questions about this particular car, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email, or give us a call, or better still, pop down and see us. We can give you the keys for the car and you can take it for a test drive. And we also do a video walk around tour of the car as well, so if there's anything you want us to particularly highlight on the car, we can do that for you as well. And we look forward to hearing from you soon. Cheers.